Hey, people. What's going on? As you know, I first have to check if I am streaming because sometimes I don't know if I'm streaming or not. So, mm, yes, I am. Yes. Yes, I am. Um, anyways, let's see what we have going on today. Today, the market seems to have changed conditions slightly, right? It seems that we're nearing all-time highs, right? You have this high to be taken, and then we're off to all-time highs, and then after that, who knows? Um, the market might just take all of these highs at once, right? If we look at the daily, yes. If we look at the daily chart, which is fractal, right? Same thing as any other chart time frame. If we look at the daily, we see a very sharp move upwards. So it took this high. It seems to want to take this high today. Um, Within the next couple of days, maybe next week or so, we'll probably take the highs. I don't see us retracing again. I mean, um, the market likes to just take all of the highs at once. Is what I it's what I have experienced, right? But um within the bigger time frames, um we don't have much going on. What I would say is we're going to take that PM session range or highs, this high, maybe even this high, maybe even this high, since there's an SMT divergence right there. You could see um let's see. Yes, fuck. Yes, it's at all-time highs already. Shit. You see? Same thing. Boom. Just takes them all at once. So, yeah. It's pretty tough to trade all-time highs. Um, Pretty tough for me. I don't know about um other people, but I'm used to trading. I started trading 2023, I believe. When the market was on the on the I guess it was a bearish market, right? There was a lot of shorts, right? A lot of downward movements, and they were usually sharper and faster. So, a big part of me stay still looks for the shorts. Um, let's see. I did take a trade. Um, let's see. On ES, I believe. Yes, took a trade on ES, and I'll explain the trade. So you can see we had SMTs at the lows, right? We came up right after those SMTs on NQ. We had, a demand that was created, and we were at a rejection zone, right? We expected a possible rejection and possible take of London lows, right? So once it comes up here, takes internal liquidity, right? Yes, does the same thing. Sharp move up, takes liquidity, and so I get in kind of late, pretty late. Actually, all the way at the lows, I got in. But for a possible move to London lows or maybe even AM lows, I would have taken probably most of the profit there. Yeah, probably the lows, maybe VWAP, right? But it didn't work out. I think it was a good trade. So, I think it was a good trade. I did re-enter. I got stopped out of one contract over here. Somewhere over there. I think yeah, I got stopped. It came back down, I believe. So I re-entered another one, and then it came back up. So yeah, you can see it here. Yes. Anyhow, it is what it is. We are down 380 on the day, which is not much overall. 1003, pretty good. But let's see what we have going on. So I expected another sharp reversal, or not a reversal, but just a take on liquidity, right? Look at this. The market, we really don't have anything over here, right? So what the market is going to do, unless we do, I don't know. Let's see. I guess we have this one, huh? I missed that one. There it is. Yes. Wow, I missed it. Also, it's not really, they don't really respect it, right? Okay, that, I don't like it at all. Anyways, let me take this out. No, this. So, what I'm looking to see is another take on liquidity. Just like this one, right? Market goes up slow. People think, damn, it's not retracing, right? Maybe it'll retrace here. Nope, keeps going up. Boom, there's the retracement. People get in, and and then you have a crazy candle like this one, right? So that's probably what I'm looking for. It's probably not going to be a the strategy that we've been trading for the last couple of days, which is the SMTs reversals, right? Or sweeps of the SMTs. But we have to I've experienced the bull run, the last bull run, which was IS 2024. This bull run right here, right, where the market just goes up, and this one, right, and this one where the market just goes up. So that's what I'm looking for here. Kind of an equal move, right? An equal move down. About 212 ticks, or 53 points. The market likes to move like that in equal moves. 53 points. Yeah, somewhere around here. Maybe, yeah, somewhere around these lows. Yes. So this candle right here, I believe, is going to be key. We might have something over here, and that's why this basing candle formed. Let's actually, I want to see I want to really get in there and see. So on NQ, yeah, tiny supply, yeah. 30 seconds, no. 15 seconds. Okay. Yeah. So we have tiny supply right there. then another supply, and then and so that gets turned into demand. Yeah, that's exactly what we have going on. So should I mark this right here or this one? I don't know. I think I'll stick with this one since the market is moving up, right? I think it's going to be trending up, so this one would be too far down, I guess. Either way, it's the same shit, you know, not that far. So yeah, sharp move. Honestly, we just have to wait and take a shot. You know, it's not going to be back and forth. I don't think. I think it's just going to come down and just time it correctly. Right? Let's see, yes. There it is. The market taking liquidity. That's all it is, right? Boom, boom, boom. All of this is liquidity. We could actually see a tucket here. At this point, people would have thought, I'm guessing, you know, if I'm getting into the minds of fairly new traders, people would think these are rejection candles, right? But we just keep going. That's why it's important to not look at the 1 minute, not stay in the 1 minute. Just go a little bit higher. Look at the 3 minute. What do we see? Downwards candle, downwards candle, downwards candle, downwards candle, downwards candle. So just zoom out a little bit. Always, if you're unsure, zoom out a little bit. So, like we said, the move that we're expecting should be around here, right? At least tapping into the zone, I think, and taking that liquidity. You know. Now, if we start moving up, we might have to get in with a short stop. Just wait, be patient, right? We can't just get in as soon as this turns green, right? Although we want to. Be patient. The market will provide. Now we do have kind of a breaker on smaller time frames, right? Boom, boom, breaker right here. This would be the trend, kind of like that, right? But yeah, sometimes we see the breaker and then it breaks again. So kind of like a power of 3. Would it be a power of 3? No. It would be kind of a power of 5. 1, right? Or accumulation, manipulation, distribution, distribution again, and then distribution again. So basically just stopping everyone out. Right? So that's why I don't like to get in when the market starts doing this. If it doesn't go, if we don't have like boner candles, I don't get in. Cause how much you wanna bet we take this low? The market wants to seem like it's going to. The market just tricks people. That's what it does. It tricks people. The market is psychological. Very, very slow. The market is moving very, very slow. Not a lot, honestly, right? Yeah, it's not moving crazy. But anyways, 29 minutes. Yeah, so the next hourly is most likely going to be, you see, this is liquidity. I don't trust it. I still don't trust it. I still don't trust it, honestly. We have to get a series of candles, up candles, for me to get in. Do not trust this. Look at how that candle closed. You see? It's still closed within the range. Stops are probably gonna be very short because we're going for the move. We want to surf the move, surf the wave, get in at the right time. You know. So if the market forms some kind of SMT, that might be an indication that we're going to move higher, which it is right now. About to, looks like. Yes. Just like here, right? SMT, then we get to move higher. So our stop could probably be at a basing candle or right at the SMT low, right? Yes, I mean, this is just liquidity right here. Look at these relative equal lows right here, gets taken, relative equal lows gets taken. So you might see another SMT just like this one, right? Just on slightly higher time frames. You know. Let's see. That's exactly what I did yesterday. Yesterday I got into Let's actually show, cause look at this. I marked it right here. You see all of those relative equal lows? Retracement we think is going to pump, and then it takes the lows, of course, because look at those lows, so perfect. So I'm going to continue to wait. Yeah. And Q, yeah, ES might break the lows and form a lower low, and then Q might just come down here and possibly, let's see, possibly take the the breaker, right? I don't know. Dude, ES though. Yes, I just don't trust ES. I'm going to just remain calm. just stay here, not do much. You know what? We could read. Anytime we're feeling not at ease, just read. Read. Absorb the wisdom from the dead, right? From the wise, from the people that lived before, from the people that we came from, right? The wise student hears of the Tao and practices diligently. The average student hears of the Tao and gives it thought now and again. The foolish student hears of the Tao and laughs out loud. If there were no laughter, the Tao would not be what it is. Hence it is said, the bright path seems dim. Going forward seems like retreat. The easy way seems hard. The highest virtue seems empty. Great purity seems sullied. A wealth of virtue seems inadequate. The strength of virtue seems frail. Real virtue seems unreal. The perfect square has no corners. Great talents ripen late. The highest notes are harder to hear. The greatest form has no shape. The Tao is hidden without name. The Tao alone nourishes and brings everything to fulfillment. That's what they're referring to when they say the Tao, when they speak of the Tao. The Tao begot one. One begot two, two begot three, and three begot the 10,000 things. So the Tao would be, that force that brings life to everything. Look at that. This is interesting. Men hate to be orphaned, widowed, or worthless. But this is how kings and lords describe themselves. For one gains by losing, and loses by gaining. What others teach, I also teach. That is, a violent man will die a violent death. This would be the essence of my teaching. Something to that, right? If you look at figures like Elon Musk, so much power, so much possessions could control you, could possess you, right? The softest thing in the universe overcomes the hardest thing in the universe. That without substance can enter where there is no room. Hence I know the value of non-action. Teaching without words and work without doing are understood by very few. Yeah, we read this, I believe. Yep. Where do we leave off? Shit. Did we miss it? Did we? I don't know. Maybe. So, I still don't like it, Still don't like it. This is why I've not gotten in. Imagine it takes it. Imagine it comes all the way down again. It's possible, it just took the high. It's possible it takes a low again. Honestly. Look at that. Patience. Grasshoppers. Patience. Maybe it won't. I have to be sure though. I have to be, we have to be very, very confident that it's not going to come back. That it's just going to leave. So that's why I was looking for kind of breakaway gaps. Just a very strong movement up. Yes, is right back in the range. Look at that. And Q. Yeah. And Q. Who knows? So NQ is higher. So yeah, so we would be looking to get in NQ. Base and candle, highs. So that would kind of make sense, right? SMTs, kind of SMTs, I guess, I don't know. SMTs takes the high, comes back, takes the SMT, and goes higher. That would make sense to me. Do we have any news? Nope. 10:15. Nope. If we are if we just based, or if we practice the mainstream, what I would call mainstream, right? Because ICT at first it started as a kind of a very secret thing, but now everyone knows about it, and it's not secret anymore. So we don't want to do what everyone else is doing, right? So ICT would teach boom, boom, breaker, right? And they do work, the breakers, but when they're so clean like this, so ICT would teach came back, get in, right? So if we would have done that, right, with a stop at this low, let's see what would have happened. I'm gonna just place it right there. I think price is going to come and take this low. I really think so. Just like this, right? Boom, boom, boom. Kind of a breaker, right? At this point it would be considered breaker, although it doesn't really close above. I mean, it kind of does, right? If we're looking at it like this, but you have to know that these are psychological levels and price is attracted to them. So you see how it forms another low right here, takes the low. That's could possibly happen. It's possible. Yes is pretty low. I mean, it could take those lows again, especially because it took the highs, that low. What I want to see is a very strong move. Yeah. That would honestly be ideal. Yes. Because you see this kind of ball flag. I don't like that. It might just play out, honestly. Might just play out. But we have to see what it does over here, right? Just give it a chance. Let's just give it a chance, right? What is it going to do at the highs? It could keep rejecting, keep rejecting, keep rejecting. It's 10:44 right now. Let's see, 10:44. Might have a reversal at 11, right? Might or might not. So it would make sense that the reversal would be the shorts, right? The shorts and then a reversal, just like yesterday actually, right? That's what happened yesterday. 11 a.m., right? Comes down, takes lows, 11 a.m. Then we continue to move up. 11 a.m. takes lows. And this is a 1 minute, right? So much could happen. If you look at the 3 minute, it's, yeah, definitely. Price could definitely take those lows, right? It's like right there. Right? Comes halfway to the range, right? Half of the range of this space, gap, whatever. Chops and then continues. I have a very strong feeling that it's going to do something crazy over here. It's getting very, very close. Very, very close. Closer it gets, the more it speeds up. So let's just be patient. Trading is a waiting game, man. Trading is a way to transfer money from the impatient to the patient people. That's what it is. And that's the saying that I forgot the other day that I was trying to remember. Trading is a game that transfers wealth from the impatient to the patient. Who can wait while the mud settles? Is the name of the game. Who can wait while the mud settles? Anyways. Honestly, I might get in the shorts. You know? If we get an SMT from above, right? Might get in the shorts. Well, we don't really have an SMT. Or do we? Let's see. This was 1040. No. I don't want to get in the shorts just yet because of how choppy it is. I might get in the shorts and it might take the high one more time. So where do I place my stop? Could make a crazy move, right? Another SMT? We just got another SMT. See that? Right here? Look at it. Right there. SMT. Oof. So then, I guess we would want to get into ES. However, liquidity. So ES is the, well, as of now, yeah, ES is starting to move higher. Or, yeah. It's about to take the SMTs. There it is. There's the shorts that we were expecting. Should I get in the shorts or what? I don't know. What you see? Where would the stop have been? Right here. Right around here. Price comes right to the stop. That's why I don't trade these fucking breakers. Don't listen to mainstream media, people. You have to think for your own. Experience the markets. Okay, SMT, right? SMT gets taken out. Where was that other SMT? Did we have another SMT? Did we? Oh yeah, this one. So both SMTs got taken out on ES. We like that, we love that. So on the day, we are still bullish, right? Yeah. I think we keep going up. So, look at that, man. Look at that. See that? So I'm not going to get into shorts because yes, already took liquidity, right? And this I guess would be considered liquidity taken. So the shorts, we are not sure where they're going to come in or till where they're going to stop. See? So now we start to look at the longs. Or the shorts. Gosh. Hello? What? Okay. Anyways, yep. Wait, what's happening here? Oh. Wait, no. Oh, no. There we are. You know what? Maybe even, oh, yeah. That's it. So, just give it a chance, right? You don't want to get in. Just give it a chance for structure to form. Go see, it takes it. Honestly, it might take this low because or not, and that could be the SMT that it forms. However, because this was an SMT, what we would want to see is both of them take the lows and then be in confluence, right? We don't, after the SMT is here, we don't want it to form another SMT. I don't think. You know, we want to, ideally it takes both. You know. Maybe I get in short right here. I got in short. Sell on a mini. Yeah. I like that. I do. Relatively good lows here as well. See? So I might come to the zone right here. Yeah, I like it. Well, we don't want it to come back, right? It's not what we want. No. I'm going to get it out for a very small loss. Could take the highs again. So, $70 loss. Not bad. So, let's just look at the big screen. So, it could even have a rejection, a pullback bigger than this one, right? Like an actual big pullback. View up is all the way down here, see? So, yeah. I'm going to stay in the shorts, but I might miss them. I would love to see the shorts take the highs and then come right back down. Then I would get in. Something like that. Okay. You know what? That's not a good trade. What am I doing? Where? What, 293? That's not a great trade. Look at that. No, we don't like that. do not like that. But we'll see. Yes. I don't like it. It's too short. It's too close to where we should be getting in. So you see, boom, look at that. So it's still, ooh, guess what time it is? 11. It's 11. So right here, we're going to look for the longs. So you see, that's why that's why I got out of the shorts. What's ES doing? What is that? That's weird, isn't it? So you see, 11. I think I'm going to start getting in for the sharp 11 reversal. See, buy and sell. Sell. Could take it, honestly. Could take it. But since it's such a short stop, I believe we have to give it a chance. So 1 mini, is that good? Is that enough? Let's see. So I wonder if this is it for today. I think we break the highs. I think we could, yeah. But do we do it now or maybe later during the day at 2 or 3? This could easily get reversed, you know? When we see this, when we see sharp moves, we often see sharp moves to the other side. So ES is I don't know about ES. Look at that. 200. Oh yeah, that's good. 200. Yeah, that's good. We don't want to put everything into one trade. Oh. What is that? Whew. Crazy candle. Nope, I'm getting out. Wait. Look at ES. ES is making a lower low Huh? Oof. Yeah, we don't want it to come back. I don't think. Not after it did that bullshit. Here it is. Honestly, we might just ride this for the day. Because it might come all the way up there. Also, what is ES doing? Okay. Looks good. I mean, it doesn't look good. It looks kind of weird. It's very choppy. But, yeah, that candle. What was that? So what we could see is, what we could expect is a possible rejection here. Everything but just inverse, right? Gaps holding us up. What is that? I'm going to move it slightly up. I don't think I should take this candle. Yeah. We want the move up to be, I don't know. Again, we're in the 1 minute. Look at that. Yes. That's what we like to see. Green, 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 green. Yes. See? That's why we stick with it. Although, shit. That might have been a mistake. Yeah. For sure it was a mistake. We don't want to get in at the highs. If it leaves, it leaves. But, you know. So, let's look at it does have a supply right here. Boom, boom. But it's also liquidity. You see? Oh, what is this? It's up here. Okay, so wait. Um, 50 maybe 49, right? Yeah, that's good. 500. Yeah, so that'll be around 1,000 actually, if it hits, right? Yeah. But we could go for, if we go for 1,500 past the account. Shit. But if we lose though, we lose very, very heavy. A very, very heavy loss. So, oof. Okay. So what we want to see is a breaker, right? But we don't want to see a breaker like this. We don't want it to reject. We want it to just stay there for maybe 1 or 2 minutes and then just go and sweep the highs. We don't want it to chop around over here. If it starts chopping around, we get out, you know. So it might target these highs, right? So yeah, we move it up all the way up, I guess, right? Because if it comes here, it goes lower, and it might not break the highs. On the 2 minutes, that looks good. Looks good. Yes, it's finally moving up, but you know, that might. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. The other one is still at break even, so we'll see. Wow. Look at that. Holy shit. That's a strong candle. So I want to see if God. Might as well get out, right? Oh well. It did it for us. Wow. What the fuck was that? Honestly, it might be another opportunity too long. It took, because it already took the, see? Yeah. Yeah. Buy and sell. Yep. And the other one, same thing. Buy and sell. With a stop at the lows. Yep. I think it's just another opportunity. I don't think it'll break the lows. We'll see. Alright. Negative again. Oh. These accounts, man, they're doing so bad. Gosh. We're still at drawdown. We're all the way at 49. I don't know what to do with those accounts, man. I might just take a risk. Trade them individually, right? And just take more risk. Put more risk on the table and yeah. So So we're on the negative again, but you know, it's still I don't know. I don't know what to say. I think it could reject, honestly. Oh shoot, look at that. SMTs. Now I don't know if I like that because these are 11. This was the 11 a.m. reversal and ES took it. I don't know if I like that, honestly. We'll see. I should probably shit. Yeah, I don't like that. If I'm going to be honest. We might not. Yeah, we're good. 168. That's wonderful. Shit, dude. I don't think it's Fuck. It might not continue higher, you know? Let's look at exactly what it did here. So we had a supply 45 minutes. Let's just actually see. So this high got taken, huh? No, it was all the way up here. So supply, something like that. So usually oh wow. Okay. Damn. We might just continue short. I see a move to VWAP. If this low gets taken, then we don't look for longs, probably. But SMT, I've never seen this, to be honest with you. Never seen. I don't know if it'll continue, honestly. 11 again reversal. It's good, right? It looks good, but yes, took it. So let's see what it does here. You know, it might. It might just be yeah, that might be it. Something like that, you see? Boom, rejection, and then probably another rejection. Damn. So you could make a case for both, and somebody once told me if you can make a case for both sides, you shouldn't be trading, because then you don't have an edge. So you could make a case for both. Look at that. Disgusting. I hate it. Look at that. The longs don't look that good because, well, I don't know, man. I don't know. Liquidity right here might take liquidity, continue lower. Makes sense, right? SMTs. Shit. You know what? It looks good for the shorts, actually. SMT. This is actually our strategy, right? SMTs, liquidity. So SMTs takes internal liquidity, sweeps SMTs. SMTs takes internal liquidity. This one, right? Comes back lower. I will wait for confirmation, though. I will wait for a strong move down, you know? And then I guess the move would be VWAP. I mean, I don't know. It's 11. Damn, not a good day. Not a good day, but good risk management. Well, let me rephrase that. It's a great day. For practicing patience, right? Great day. Look at that. Look. Moment of truth. So if it ends up going up there, we learn that SMT doesn't matter, right? If this wasn't 11 a.m., I would, if ES had taken it and it wasn't the 11 a.m. low, I would have stayed with it. We forgot to mark those trades. So long, short. See? I knew I shouldn't have fucking added the top. This was stupid. This was kind of stupid. I mean, whatever. Sometimes it goes, honestly. To 14, 29, 14, 29, 14. Look at that. That's a reversal right there. But it could come up here though, honestly. Okay. It's gonna be a... if I lose this, it's gonna be a big loss. But it's fine. I got in again all the way at the bottom. These entries are not the best. But it should be at the top though, because it could come up here and reject. It looks like it might form kind of a breaker, right? A breaker setup. Have supply right here. Makes sense. Looks good. It looks good. That's our strategy. However, it did the same thing over here, right? Our strategy did not work. So you see, SMTs takes liquidity, but our strategy did not work. So if it takes the high, I'm going long. Takes a high, I'm going long, and that might be it for the day. Oh gosh. You know what? I'm going to use the restroom. I'll be right back. Fuck! Stopped me out. Now we have to go. We have to go along. Man, it worked. I guess it worked, right? Well, let's just wait 1 second. Yeah, it's too. Yeah. It's gonna go, isn't it? Yeah. To the 70s, I guess. '76, perhaps. You know, I guess it worked. Huh? God, I hope it doesn't come down again. Is that too big? No. Yeah, man. I guess it did work. I guess it could do that. I guess you guys could still do the SMTs at the 11 a.m. and yeah, it's still valid. Unless it could reject up here. You know what? No. God. I want to get in another one. Because I think it's gonna leave. I think I think it's not going to come back. That's it's not great, right? But so what did I say? I said I think it's not going to come back. So if I don't think it's going to come back, then there's no reason to put the stop down there, right? Yeah. So 1 is going to be break even. You know, I wonder if this is in the correct spot. So I got in long at the break. Maybe I should have waited. Whoa. fuck was that? I don't like that. You know? We just held. If only we just held. I think I'm getting a little too scared, right? That is not good. What am I doing? Yeah. I have to probably take a break. This was the actual trade. It's bad. See that? I get too scared and I take profit. What I shouldn't have done was gotten in the second one, just like I did here. You see? Those losses are chipping away. God. God, dude. What a bad entry. Or what a bad trade. What a bad execution, rather. Fuck. Okay. So if I go long, it's gonna be right here. It's a very short stop. I'm kind of mentally exhausted already. I'm getting to that point. I feel it. I'm getting mad. I'm getting emotional. My emotions are just very strong right now. I did so many mistakes. Not so many mistakes. It's not really so many mistakes. It's just the fact that I was right and I didn't know what would happen. I kind of knew, right? But I had not seen it before, so I had to wait out. Honestly, it was the right thing to do, you know? But it sucks, man. It sucks. Chipping away. Damn. Today might be a losing day. It's 11:33. I think around 12. Just like yesterday. You know, just like yesterday we had the reversal at 11. And just like yesterday, we might reach the highs at 12. Another small loss. No, come on. Seriously? So what I'm thinking is this 3 minute should close green. So let's just wait a little bit. It might take liquidity and then close green. That's what we want to see. If it closes red, then might be an issue. Then we might not keep reaching highs. I don't know. You know what? It's not that complicated. I am overcomplicating things. 2 contracts, huh? What the fuck? We're already at so two contracts. This might be a mistake. Same trade. Okay, so it did close green. Did close green. We wanted to go. You know, we wanted to just fucking go. Another candle like this to the 70s. Possibly to the 70s. Maybe 76. I don't know. And look at the other trade. Oh, the other trade hit. Well, the other trade should have held, honestly. Shit. Where did the other trade hit? Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. So we did see another candle like that. Anyways, so we're in 2 contracts. $70 and $76. Which one could it take? Could it take 70 and not 76? You know what? I think it takes 76. But we do have... Right, so it's already at 70, right? Very close to 70. I think it takes 76, honestly. However, that sucks. It might reverse, right? Because there's a liquidity target, right? So we might have a reversal. Or not. You know what? I don't think so. I think we damn. I'm so nervous. So nervous, man. Should we stick with it? Could it be that simple? Are we overcomplicating things? We probably are. What worries me is that this is a high. See? That's a high. So this might have been the liquidity. Not this, right? It might take this high and not this one. What are we thinking? So there's a way to see if it's going to take the highs, right? Price, just like it did yesterday, I believe, forms a low, takes the high, takes the low, then takes the high again for the liquidity target, right? If price takes the high, then takes this low, and then continues up, I get in the longs again. Also, price might just go, you know, either one. But if prices goes, I'm not going to get in. I'm not going to. Cause it just doesn't provide a good risk to reward, you know. Took the high. And these losses, man, chipping away. I forget that God, I'm so exhausted. I forget that it's a different market condition and we have to hold. You know? So if we have to hold, does that mean that I should get in? No. Yeah, no. Right. The reason why I shouldn't get in is because this might be it for the day. This target, and that's it, right? And the reason why we should wait for this low to be taken is because if it does, and then it rejects again, then that means that this was not the target, and that this is going to be the target, right? Yes. It's rejecting. Let's just wait one more time, okay? Or one more candle. Or not. I got in 2 again. I got into 2. 76. Entry was not good, you know? Entry was not good. Now I'm at break even. Honestly, I think it's a good trade. It's a one. it's well, 2 minis, but I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm overthinking too much. You know, I think I'm thinking too much. I think yeah. Oh fuck. I don't know why I feel so emotional today. I feel extra emotional. Let's just breathe. I'll tell you, man, I've done this in the past. I've seen this in the past. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I think I'm so nervous because I'm in 2 as opposed to 1. I don't know, man. I think I'm just, it's so close to 12. I've been trading for a couple hours. And, just my mind just, God. Just mental exhaustion. Fuck. I'm mentally exhausted. That's all. This ain't even a fucking real account, Anyways, to think that we could have just hit that we could have, hit the profit target. That kind of pisses me off, and I feel kind of disappointed and dumb and stupid. Man. Shit. Stopped me out. Huh. Anyways, if it stops me out, I'm probably just going to leave. I mean, I really am mentally exhausted. It's tough. So tough. I'm wondering... Oh God. I feel like I'm losing control. I feel... Fuck, dude. Trading is tough. It's so tough on the mind. Man. So tough. I'm going to do something crazy. I did something crazy. Oh, fuck. Come on. Just hit. I did something crazy. Should I have done that? Probably not. But those accounts are kind of bad. Pretty bad, so I said I was going to take a risk. There's the risk. Oh. Man, in hindsight, or looking back, I might just look back at this trade and be like, the stop was correct. Oh fuck. I might look back at the trade and be like, the stop was correct. And what the fuck was I so worried about? Right? Target might hit. I don't know. If we look at the 5-minute, it looks super bullish, right? Still looks bullish. We will see. I guess we'll see, right? Come on. Come on, you fucking bitch. Fucking hit. Oh, I am so attached. I'm so attached, dude. That's all that is, right? Attachment. As soon as this shit hits, I'm going to end the fucking live. I am so exhausted. I want to see how far I could get with this account. Yeah, dude, I don't even know the fucking P&L. That's a mistake. I should go into trades knowing how much I'm going to, around how much I'm going to make. 10. So 10, 20, so 1 mini, $200, so 1 mini, so 2 minis, $400. So come on, what are you doing? Just hit. I swear to God, this is just scaring traders out. The market is made to scare people out. I'm just going to, you know what? I'm just gonna zoom out completely to the 15-minute. Fuck this shit. Don't be scared. Scared money don't make money. Don't be scared. It's a game of probabilities. That's all. Your job is to position yourself, and that's it. As soon as you place a trade, don't worry about the outcome. You're detached. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You learn from it. If you lose, you learn. If you win, you learn. Everything is an opportunity to learn. Everything can be seen from the point of view of universal goodness. Everything is alright. Everything is perfect. Everything is turning out the way it should turn out in the great scheme of things, in God's divine plan. Should I add one more? No, I don't think so. No, fuck that. It's way too close to TP. Way too close. Ah, fuck. Fuck, dude. Shit, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Fuck. Fuck. Well, anyways. Yes. Finally got these accounts to not draw down. Fuck! So hard to trade. $1,000 left. 200 and something on the day. It sucks, man. It sucks. But now we know. Yeah, man. I'm going to save the journaling for later in the afternoon, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow to continue this amazing journey. Peace. Fuck. Peace. What the fuck? I thought I said a hotkey to end the live. I see what's going on.